Man, I'm finna tear this chicken up. God damn. Tear this shit up, sis. Damn, you want some?
Yeah, I take me a little salad or whatever.
Sis, they ain't give me no honey. Can you get me some honey, sis?
You go ahead and get your honey.
Man, sis, look, I'm gonna put my hand on the chicken's grease and I need some napkins too.
You got your two feet.
Sis, can you please get me some honey?
No, you can move your own feet.
Sis, why you being flawed, sis? Get me some honey, man. You know what?
See, the time you was sucking your finger, should have went up and got your honey.
All right, I got something in my pocket. Nah.
I know you lying.
I ain't lying. You know I got a date.
That's horny honey. Why you?
But you know I got a date in about an hour. Might well get an early jump start.
I know you're not gonna put no horny honey on this chicken.
You better ask somebody.
That's just sad.
You want to get me no honey? Well, guess what?
Do y'all see this?
Well, guess what?
He's gonna put some horny honey on this chicken. Look at that. Look how thick it is. Lord Jesus.
Some of my biggest too.
Heaven help us.
Sis.
That's what he did.
Sis.
He fucked up.
Sis. Sis.
You gonna stop calling my name?
Girl, my thing don't go.